Take a close look at this face. What could probably be the current problem that we are dealing with? Some of you might say, well, it's the improportionate eyes, or the simply drawn ears, or maybe the incomplete drawing of the head. Well, my fellow viewers, you are all wrong.
Why is everyone watching me? What did I do wrong? Is this a staring contest? I think I just saw him playing, guys.
This guy right here suffers from a little condition known as default face syndrome.
Something I made up.
Which is basically the inability of an artist to draw facial expressions to their poor characters. Imagine someone drawing you and you look lifeless. What is the point of being there in the first place? Drawing stylized facial expressions is very easy. The key to achieving realistic facial expressions is using exaggeration through the fundamentals you learned in art. Yes, guys, everything needs practice. There are no shortcuts, no short lanes. You have to go the long way around if you want to be a good artist. So I want to fix this soulless guy right here by redrawing the same intended facial expression in this drawing that I'm currently working on. Would you look at that? It's totally different. The facial expression actually expresses something. With a few alterations there, you guys will soon be able to do what I just did. A couple of things play a key role into bringing your facial expressions into life. Eyebrows, your eyes, the nose you draw, the mouth, as well as how each part of the face affects the other when a specific facial expression is expressed. After drawing all these out, we're moving on to detail.
Detail, guys, you said detail.
After drawing out the components of the face necessary to express that specific facial expression, you can now move on to details. Details such as shading or line art to further accentuate the facial expression that is being drawn out. It's basically what I'm doing right now. You can even see that I'm adding more detail to the character's facial expression. Doing so will not only make your facial expression more believable, it will make the drawings of your facial expression even more dynamic. I just realized right now that the drawing I just made is not in any way in sync with the facial expression of the previous drawing. But you guys can already see the difference. The other one is lifeless, while the second one is more believable. Let's try out another example. We don't ever draw facial expressions like this. It's a crime. It's a crime to art, deserving of severe punishments. Please don't be a criminal in art. I'm here to save you from the act of committing crime as an artist in this video. So keep on tuning. And we are done. Would you look at that? It's screaming life, unlike the previous dead facial expression. Like, what is this? What am I looking at? Oh, it's an eyebrow. This is how I should actually draw eyebrows, not like the previous drawing that I just showed you. Drawing eyebrows, eyes, the nose and mouth are very crucial. Also teeth. They are very crucial when you want to express an expression facially. So make sure you draw them to the best extent you can. Don't draw noses that look like L's. Draw noses that look like actual noses. Like an actual nose. You can see that that's a nose. Unless if you're not visually capable of comprehending drawings in general. Right here we have a little buddy who was supposed to be a mouth. This is how I actually draw a mouth. Not whatever I just saw. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.